Hey guys, it's Matteo with Offix. We're here in our Gainesville showroom. Today I walked up to this Canon ImageRunner 5550 because I want to show you something that I think may save you some time when you're experiencing some issues with your multifunction printer. Did you know that the menu of any Canon multifunction printer hides a series of videos to resolve basic problems you may experience with your MFP? Let me show you how you get to it. You walk up to the menu, you hit Settings Registration, you tap Adjustment and Maintenance, tap again Maintenance, and tap again Check Maintenance Method. This brings up 5 videos in this particular model. Replace toner cartridge, replace waste toner container, 2 load staples methods, one for regular staples and one for saddle staples, and then ways to remove jam paper with some specific example. Now what's beautiful about these videos is that if you hit the video and you tap on play, the video is set up so that at specific times it will show you how to take care of a certain step, and then as you can see it pauses and it waits for you to complete that particular step or do whatever it is that you need to do, either replay by tapping on this button here or continue playing the video and going on to the next step. In this case, it's about removing the black toner bottle and then replacing it with a new one. And when you're done with the video, you've completed all the steps and you're comfortable with it, you hit close, you can go to the next video, or you can hit home and continue using your Canon printer. Now I know we have a lot of videos online where we show you how to do a number of things, and I encourage you to go see them because I think they're fairly informational and educational. However, sometimes you either don't want to see this mug, or you're up at the printer, you're having a problem, you need to resolve it right there and then, you don't want to go look for the video online. But your Canon multifunction printer has a video right there to resolve the problem. I hope this will save you some time. We'll get you back on the cell, ready to copy, to scan, to send, to do whatever it is that your business needs to do and that Canon can help you do even more efficiently. If you have any other question, as always, you know you can contact us on our 800 line or find us on offix.com. Our maintenance crew is always ready to come and help you at any point. All you need to do is give us a call or fill out the maintenance request form, and we'll be there in as little as guaranteed 2 hours. From our Gainesville showroom, it's everything, and we'll see you soon.